Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, so here we are on the lookout for some live options trades. First thing I've kind of identified is that we have a trend on the SPY. So this is where my focus and attention is going to be. I don't want to like spread myself too thin. Actually, we got a trend on the IWM too. Let's see. Seems pretty solid. Mom, good morning. Blessed nerd, good morning. Yeah, let's get some trend lines going. We can see them going on. Yeah, we're doing all right, doing all right. Hope y'all feeling blessed. Hey, Mr. Ocho, good morning. Not bragging, just starting like number one. Hey, top of the morning, you know what I'm saying? Top of the morning, Mahishu, good morning. Overslept and SPY had good price action. Hey, it's okay. It's about to have some more. It's like, hey, I overslept on purpose. There will always be another trade. Remember that. Remember that, family. You didn't miss out on the SPY missed out on you. Let's see. Hey, Jamie, good morning. Let's get this bread. Let's do it. Mid-morning. Hey, morning is morning. Either way. Let's see. Big Reg. Hey, top of the morning. APLD green and Lucid is green. You're in Lucid? Are they moving enough to validate picking up options? That's something you pick up shares on right now on the cool. I think my wife has like 100 shares just chilling. But hold up, I'm gonna actually check out APLD first. Just cause I actually like analyzed them for the watch list this morning, and there was a level that I said if they pulled back to, they look like they could go. Oh, I guess AP. Oh, hold up. Okay, so I guess we got our little APLD breakout. Okay, that's good. Okay, forget what I was saying about APLD. All right, let's see what's popping with Lucid. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to tell my wife. I'm gonna be like, yo, look at Lucid. Hold up. Let me see. Hey, I know she got like 100 shares in here. Let's see. Oh no, it's not this one. Yeah, let's look at that Lucid real quick. Hey, say that 55%. Let's go Lucid, okay? Hey, we'll take it. We'll take it. And now, yo, she got in at 215. Now she can sell premium on this if she wants to. Let's go. All right, but anyways, stopped out of my BBAI. I'm sick. It's super green. I stopped. Hey, everything's very green. It's honestly looking like we might be getting ready. Hold up, might have to go out to the 4 hour. But anyways, Frank, top of the morning. Any trades popping? So there's a lot popping right now. It looks like for me, if I'm looking at anything today, it's either going to be like a break of the trend line or a continuation play. I don't see anything that's just like clear money aside from like continuing the ride. One thing I will say, honestly, nothing yet, but this is good because it kind of allows time to find things. I see, once again, we got a solid trend on the SPY, a solid trend on the IWM. I really like what I'm seeing right now on the cool. Okay. Have shares as well. That's good to see. Good to hear. Made good money on the Neo call I got yesterday. $4 strike. It's hard to catch a rocket going to the moon at what? Nah, yeah, it is. That's why you catch them when they're sleeping giants. Hey, let me check in. Speaking of sleeping giants, let's see. Is Bull moving today? Hey, they moved up. Hold on, let me see how my Weeble doing. I don't think it's moved like any higher than it's been like while I've owned it, but it's up a little bit today. Nothing crazy. Natalie, good morning. Good morning. Hey. Okay. Yeah, look at the SPY go. SPY is going. Let me see if I can draw a trend on the Qs too. Okay. Yeah, we got a solid trend right here too. So yeah, everything is just trending up. This is gonna die at some point, and if you can catch it when it's dead, or I don't know, it's like the SPY is moving up steeper. Let me go back to a 5 on the SPY, see how easy it is to draw a trend on that. Oh, everything's getting a little overbought. Anella, good morning. Thank you for AMD yesterday. Banked on the call. Hey, happy to hear it. I kind of wish I took it yesterday, but hey, it is what it is. I really wish I took that SPY. Like, SPY was just like within cents. That would have. Yes, great video. Hate that I missed the lives. Hey, it happens. It happens. It's like, yo, the market woke up and chose to be great today. Look at Hood at 105. Dang. Wow. Everything's trying to show out today. Okay. That's what we're looking at. And good morning, Thizzle. Good morning. Yeah, Lucid is up. Lucid is up. Let me tell my wife real quick. Let me just be like, yo, check your Lucid shares. All right. Can you take a look at iron? Yeah, we can take a look at it. Oh, wrong spot. Oh, that thing running too. Let's see. So iron, like, trend is kind of running like similar to the SPY. Oh, it's still in the range though. Still in the range. Like it's doing well on the day. But this whole consolidation range, I mean, overall it has a great trend. So I guess it really, here, let's see. The volume has been decreasing though. So it's like just looking at the 4 hours. So it's like I would want to see stronger volume coming in. But it could definitely like take off and go crazy too. It's like I would just want to see it break above, I guess, this 1861 level. But it's in overbought territory. It's taking its third trip there. So either from here it goes crazy or it gets slapped down pretty hard. Southern Magnolia, good morning, good morning. Yeah, honestly, in situations like these, you just be happy you have some ownership of things. Looks like it's prepping for another run. Yeah, like this would be kind of like a bull flag. Let's see what it looks like on the weekly. Oh yeah, it's still just I mean, yeah, if you look at it on a weekly, it's still like pushing, still has solid volume. Um, yeah, it can still go. Like all these candles, it's like yo, it kind of tried to take a breather this previous week, but yeah, it's looks pretty bullish. And when you go up to the weekly, it doesn't seem like it's necessarily slowing down. Graham Rising is a SPY going past all-time highs. Here, let's actually zoom out real quick. Wait, what is this? Oh, this old trend line. So wait, where's... Okay, I zoomed out too much. So looking at the SPY, I mean, it's pretty darn close. Let me get rid of this though. I don't need that. So yeah, all-time highs on the SPY. It's gonna be like a little below 628. Okay. Yeah, it's trying. There's a good chance. Yeah, I'm also... No, I'm not. Very welcome, Stanley. Chase, top of the morning. All across the board. Uber, Lucid. Oh, it's a Uber and Lucid deal. That's why Lucid's up like that. Okay. Hey, I like it. I like it. All right, got a kind of bearish candle on the 5. On well, it's still a little bullish, but we see a little selling pressure right here. But it's just a 5-minute candle. ACHR, APLD, AMSC. That's a lot of tickers right there, bro. Bro, on the days I don't trade, it moves like this. I've been red all week. IDK, bro. Ocho, I've been there. I would say the thing that has helped me most in the times like this, whenever everything is all green and you're kind of running a string of L's, is the fact that I dollar cost average into stuff. It's like in the beginning, it's like, it's not anything major, but like give what you can every day, every week, whatever. Like sometimes it might just be like $20 a week, $25 a week, $5 a day, something like that. Whatever you can commit to, you start to do that. Maybe it's just a SPY, maybe it's like one stock you're looking at, but over time you'll notice like, oh wow, I'm up on this, or oh wow, this had this kind of move overnight, and I'm banking. So it's like it's nice. Yeah, my long term is popping, so I still have faith that my trades will eventually as well. Yeah, ideally when you make money on your trades, if you don't have like any other expenses, or the day that you don't have really any other expenses, you move on and you go on over to you move into the long term. Sarah, hi, how are you? What are the numbers called that's moving on the side of the charts? Like you're talking about like just like how do you turn those on? I don't even... Here, let's... So I think if I come in here and I were trying to turn those on, I think it's going to be under symbol... No. Scales and lines. Let's see. Symbol value previous. So it's going to be here in this symbol area. So wait, maybe not. Is it canvas? I have, honestly, it's been a minute since I've set this up. I know it's something you can just, that's symbol indicators type. Scales and lines. All right, so that one's the bar countdown to bar close. Symbol, name, value. Oh, there you go. All right, so right here under this symbol area on the scales and lines, if you want these numbers over here, if you have the line, like if you want a line, it'll be there. I have this little dotted line, so I have that there. The value, that's what's showing the value, and then name. That's how I have all that there. All right, let's see. Put majority of your wins from options back in the actual. Yes, sir. Don't put all your winnings back in the option. Yeah, that's hey, very true. Very true. That's ultimately how I end up on the year. Just throwing it in the shares, because a lot of times after like something big, I'll have something I'll like lose. All right, so the Qs is getting kind of close to this trend line. It's not just going to be the like it crossing the trend line that's going to like do it. Like I'm probably going to need it to come below the EMA as well. You said which screen? Wait, hold on. My numbers are showing at the top of my charts. It's showing the correct numbers. Okay, I got you. Sarah, let me know if you were able to kind of get that. Which screen are you using? I'm mostly looking at the one on the top left, but I am kind of looking at these other ones too. So yeah, it's like I'm kind of using all of them, but most of my focus is going to be up here on the top left. The SPY is very bullish today. I'm not sure we'll be able to like really get a pullback or catch a pullback. I don't know. I'm not sure I want to mess with that. But it's overbought right now, for sure. Thoughts on Nvidia options? What kind of option are you looking for on Nvidia? Today, Nvidia it's not like the strongest mover today. And I see there's like actually some selling pressure up here at 173.64. So I feel like I would personally, here, let me zoom out a little bit. I don't know. I think it needs to pull back first. I think it still needs to fill in this gap. It's kind of like slowed down here, and it's not really making much progress. And on the day, it's not either. It could, like, it still could push up, but like as of right now, it's like I would want to see how it would do at this high it made over here. This 173.61 first before I did anything. I want to know what are y'all's thoughts on smashing that like button on the cool? Like, does that sound like a good idea? Because it didn't personally sound that bad to me. I actually thought it was a great idea. Let's see. All right, APLD pulling back. My stop may trigger thoughts. So honestly, as much as APLD is up, it's like, yo, if you're getting stopped out, I mean that's cool. Like taking profits, it's like if it's like It depends on what you're looking for in a trade on the cool. It's like similar to what I was saying yesterday, with Apple, not Apple, with AMD. I'm like, okay, if you're just looking for a quick move, this is a good time to get it. But APLD, like, we got our like 4 hour breakout, or this is the 4 hour breakout. They've crossed to the upside. So depending on how long you want to ride it, it's like it's going to have pullbacks. But the uptrend, like it seems like it's good on APLD now. All right. Tesla status, please. Tesla is still consolidating in the same range for the most part. Like it's at the top of its range, but Tesla actually just crossed to the upside on the 4 hour. So it's like it's crossed to the upside, but Tesla's not really doing anything. Tesla's at break even on the day. So that's all we can say. But Tesla did cross to the upside, so possible bullishness to come in the coming days. But right now it's at a place I'd leave it alone. Let's see. Just wondering your thoughts overall on Nvidia recently. Well, I would expect like long term Nvidia to come higher now that they can sell chips to China. That's going to be a large amount of like revenue and whatnot coming in, and yeah, that's going to be very beneficial to them. That's why them and AMD are doing well. So I think AMD or Nvidia, AMD more upside. Like Nvidia would not be surprised to see it above 200 by the end of the year. Would not be surprised. Looking for an Apple entry. Apple's been really consolidating, but it's also at this like 4 hour trend line. So I would say you get a solid candle above this area or this trend line, maybe a solid candle. It's like whenever you get something strong, or if you pull up a little higher and then you like come back to retest this line, those are both good call entries. But as of right now, Apple isn't really doing anything, so you need to wait for some sort of decision because the RSI is legit right in the middle. Mass 3DRC, top of the morning. Always a pleasure to have you around, man. Let's see. Smash, sorry. Hey, appreciate you, Natalie. Top of the morning. Hey, good morning, April. Appreciate you. Have the contract to the end of August. So it's like, yo, just because you have till the end of August doesn't necessarily mean you need to take till the end of August. There are some contracts I have with like 2 months on them. I'll take profit on them like after 2 days. So it really just depends. Palantir is about to get real dramatic. I think it tops 160, then drops in. So Palantir, yo, we got this whole little range we were looking at. It's already kind of going crazy coming into earnings. So this trend line up here, I would be very interested to see like how it reacts, because it's like the last couple times it kind of sold off in that area. It's already like extra overbought. So here, when's earnings? The 4th of August. Okay, we got 2 weeks, so it's like maybe it keeps doing this, and maybe we get a solid sell-off before earnings, and maybe there's opportunity. There's like plenty of time for it to like sell back down in this range, actually. All right, the Qs is kind of crossing over, but just because it's crossing over doesn't mean it needs to fall right away. This could be a... Here, actually, let me slide this over like this. Yeah, line it up with the bottom over here, because the SPY is like so far away from where I had it. think I might be a little bit more comfortable looking at the cues. Let's see. Yeah, I feel like that's better aligned with what IWM and the SPY are. Not sure how I missed you today. Oh well, only been here like what 27 minutes. So you haven't missed too much. It wasn't it wasn't like popping like right. Well, it's been popping like all day. It looks like, but it didn't like pop off like right when the stream started like yesterday. Every day's a new day. At the moment, no, I'm not in anything. I would like to get in something, but I would also not like to get wrecked as soon as I get in a trade. So I'll either wait for some kind of like pullback to a key level, or I'll play a reversal when the opportunity presents itself. Shireen, top of the morning, top of the morning. Yo, it's about to be. I know some of y'all are crossing into the afternoon. It is sitting pretty still right now, but everything else is moving too. Nah, yeah, I know how you feel. I know how you feel. Hey, very welcome, Torrance. Watch for cues and SPY to lose momentum. Yeah, they're definitely like losing momentum. You can see like the volume, or at least on the cues, is going down. Like honestly, the volume doesn't even seem that crazy on the cues, but the volume on the SPY is still high, but yeah, they're losing some volume. And the PCE is very low, so the idea of some kind of pullback here, that's kind of nice. It'd be nice if we can hit the high again or make a new high. Let's get up to 628, see what happens. Let me check options pricing just so I can see. Beating the Press podcast. Bless up. Hey, appreciate you, family. Top of the morning. Yeah, I'm gonna need a SPY to come on back down real hard because I bought a call. Wait, you bought a call or you bought a put? Okay, I was about to say, I'm like, yo, we should get the SPY running up more. But okay, cool. Yeah, we're watching it. Let's see if we get some kind of like consolidation or something. I don't know how hard I would expect it to come down. Like we got this trend here, and it's like it may just kind of pull back to that. It's a very lot of strength today. And it's like if it pulls back to the trend line, that's a solid move, but I could see it trying to push up again after that. So it's like it could sell off pretty hard, pretty fast. I personally wouldn't even want to play that first move. I would have to wait for the setup. And Nvidia is big chilling. IWM. Here, let me look at that on a 4. Wonder if they'll come fill in this this gap up. They're down from 224.73 resistance at like 226. Yeah, everything's in kind of one of those ranges, except for the Qs. The Qs is just like chilling at all time highs, kind of pushing right now. I would say good with good reason, but man, hey, TSM crushing earnings. They may have good implication on this. Well, I would say that's personally like we like what we see right now. I would say is the reaction on to that. As like each day kind of has its own little earnings. Like every day, it can kind of have its own kind of implications. But like it's like ultimately whatever you get, it's like you either have the green light to keep the momentum going each day, or you get like a red light, which will potentially like get pulled back, or one that'll just hold it in the same spot. And it's like, but yeah, it's like yeah, TSM did have good earnings, and that is like part of why it's up like this. But I personally wouldn't expect it to, like the earnings itself, to carry it as a whole. Or like I would like for chips and stuff. But it's like just because of the nature of earnings and how there are about to be a lot of other ones, I don't think it would impact for that long. I think everyone's going to end up forgetting about it and then kind of looking at the next thing that's relevant to chips. I think we got Netflix today. See how Netflix is moving in accordance to that range from yesterday. Yeah, it's still like pretty flat in that range. Yo, I saw. See, we got 16 lurkers on stream. Hey, where they do that at? Hey, I don't know. We got 20 lurkers. Y'all be sure to smash the like button. Hey, top of the morning, also. Top of the morning. Wow, we're really pushing right now. Where'd I? So I started right here. The SPY has moved like maybe like 80 cents since I got in. Grinding up all day. Oh, appreciate you switching over from the lurk side, Naomi. It's it's a little discomforting, sitting in this room with all the lurkers. I'm like, yo, who are you? Do you like me? Are we friends? Like, or are you just here to trade the complete opposite direction of me? Did you buy that spy call? If so, no, I didn't buy a spy call today. Maybe would I have entered a spy call today if I was look? So market opened over here. We got confirmation here. It's like it's possible that I'd be in, but it would totally understand. Yeah, I know you said you live stream on TikTok. I know that's a lot of eyeballs right there. I know TikTok just be it like floods you with people at first, and then if you're actually interesting, yo, you got a lot of eyeballs on you. I think I've gone live on TikTok before. Maybe it was on my wife's, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I've been. I'm like, yo, how do I have all these eyeballs on me? I'm not even like doing anything. So we are just melting up. Honestly, it's kind of aggressive. I'm not even sure I would call it a melt. Like just at the pace it's going at. Yeah, I don't get very many. I may not be super interesting. Only like 10 or 20 people average like 6 to 10. I mean, that's solid though. Like imagine you being in a room with 10 to 20 people, or 6 to 10. That's maybe like a game night or something. Actually, 10 might be pushing. I don't know. But yeah, trying to find one more move today. Right now, the move is up. Unless you want to wait till there is either a break or a retest. Yes, please, please. Y'all see what Amanda said? Yo, Amanda is someone of authority. Be sure to smash the like button. I only get on at like an hour. They've all made friends with each other. Hey, that's clean. An hour is a solid amount of time. What do you do, or what do you discuss? Is it like, yo, is it like a get ready with me? Is it like a, I don't know. It's like, what do people do? No, you said you said may not be super interesting. Is it like, I don't know, cause it's like I bought a $5 SoFi call for 16.25 expires, and it's been going. Hey, good stuff, Marcus. Good stuff. You said literally random stuff. I'm playing. Hey, I feel like it'd be hard to describe oneself a while. Well, maybe not, but we gotta figure out other ways to describe ourselves aside from playing. I know there's gotta be something about you. It's like, cause even me, like, it's like you listen to me talk. It's like I'm pretty dry. My humor's pretty dry, but it's like, nah, I say I'm pretty chill. Like I'm pretty chill. I think I have a good sense of humor, but I think you may need to, like, if you're not listening to me, you're not gonna catch it. All right, let's see. Still pushing up. IWM tussing the line. Yeah, it's like I want something that's gonna move. Okay, I don't do makeup. I just talk to people sometimes. Silly, it's extra income. Hey, that's nice. That's nice. 500 to 800 a month. That's nice. Lucky J, what's up? What's good? That's more than I make going live on YouTube. And I'm live a lot longer than you. I make a lot more on YouTube, like in general, but like going live on YouTube, yeah, the lives on the cool. If I didn't get to connect with y'all, if I wasn't able to like, if I didn't have the value of actually connecting with y'all, this would not be worth my time. Really think you should give TikTok a chance. I have a TikTok, and it's like, I always have at the back of the mind, I'm like, oh yeah, let me post this on TikTok. But then it's like, I don't know, it's like oddly enough, I know I post videos on YouTube, but it's like, oh, I'm a little too lazy for TikTok, or it's like the bandwidth I have and the energy I have. I don't know, it's like everything I'm doing is it's like it's not that much to post on TikTok, but it's also like very distracting at the same time, and it takes a lot. Okay, let's see, let's see. Okay, so IWM. Let's see if we get a pullback to 222.70 or something, or if it's going to continue the trend. We haven't gotten a complete candle below yet. Here, let me extend this trend line on the Qs. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm watching a SPY in the Qs today. I really think, okay. Well, 5 to 800. I need to quit playing. I can talk forever. All right, for real. TikTok's gifting is great. Send the TikTok at. It's like my at's the same on everything. So if you want to add me on TikTok or Instagram, it's Matthew Manual 1. It's the same on YouTube too. It would just be Matthew Manual if the one dude on whoever has Matthew. Oh, okay. It's not even. It's Matthew Manual 1. So it's like I don't know. Maybe if I get some interaction on TikTok, as I don't want to do stock stuff on there. But it's like if I get like proper interaction on TikTok, I'll respond and like show other parts of my life. I'm not trying to have it be like a lot of effort, so it'd be just like, yo, legit, just like point and shoot and like real, like whatever. But let's see. All right, so IWM looks like it could be pulling back. He said, okay, what do I think about Exxon? This is the 4 hour. Okay, so it's in a downtrend. Looks like it's about to cross down to the downside. It's approaching a demand zone. So there is a demand zone right here at, oh wait. So yeah, it's approaching a demand zone. There is a demand zone. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. About right here. Like around like 111, 110. Yeah, I just see that it's in a downtrend. That's all I can really say at the moment. Said you'll find me. Yeah, that's my name, Matthew Manual 1. Let's see. 563 is about the level at which I would get a put position on the Qs. All right, we'll see. We'll see. Like it's already overbought for sure. So it really just depends on. It really depends for me. Like I like where it's at right now. I would just need it to consolidate. Like if it wants to consolidate here, that's cool with me. IWM looks like it's getting ready for it. Let's go to like a 15 on IWM. Let's move up to a 15. Oh yeah, IWM looks. Yeah, we'll see how it does on this little whatever. Here, let me also try to draw another trend line on the SPY. See if we can get one for this steeper trend. If we draw it like that, the SPY is actually kind of breaking right now a little bit. Maybe. Like, I don't know. Let's see. 15. Yeah, the SPY does have a steeper trend, but it's kind of breaking this one. But there's like another trend down here. So there's something right there. I may not go for anything today. We'll see. Let's. Tatiana? Hey, good afternoon. Is there anything stopping SoFi? You said before a pullback. Let's see. A wrong chart. You gotta really go back and look at some history for that. You said 24, 25. I mean, there looks like there's some resistance at about like 2250, 23. All right, so yeah, we're getting a pullback here. I might want to, I don't know. I might want to try. It's easier to play up than play down right now. I might want to see where this settles out. I think there's, the market is very bullish. I'm trying to protect what I have. That's from a drawing like a 4 hour chart. Okay. Okay. All right. All right, we still got like at least eight lurkers in the room. Hey, be sure to smash that like button. All right, so IWM and the SPY puts are they're on the table right now. They're on the table for sure. I am not taking them right now. I'm not fully in love with the puts. It's like I don't necessarily think there is as solid of a move on those. I might like calls at this here, let's see. If we were to make our way back down here, let's go to a 1 hour real quick. What does this candle look like? That's still all right, so yeah, we could be setting up something on the 15, so I might have to wait for something to develop itself. All right, I think SoFi is well positioned to pass 25 before December, given the student loan situation switching from government to. Yep. On the cool, I just received something about my student loans like this morning saying like I'm about to have to they're about to start putting interest on it again, so yeah, that's good news for them. For real, for real. So I agree. And like once all that starts getting factored in, they'll probably go up a lot more. All right, so I stopped out of my APLD up 58%. If it dips low enough, I may buy at end of day. Stopped out of Lucid as well, not up as much, but still have shares. Think I'm adding it to my Cash App swing account. Okay. Feels like the puts are set up to fail. I feel that. That's why I'm not like. I love like if we get like a good like if we come to like a good sweep of liquidity level, it's like I like calls, but I'm not loving puts. Like I'm not loving the puts. Like we're in a strong uptrend right now. So it's like yeah, I feel you. August will really be a month, but hey, it might be. But yeah, we're in July right now, so we gotta, I guess, keep riding. Bearish candle on 15, right? Very top one. Oh yeah, we got a bearish candle. I'm not gonna make a bearish trade just because we've been up so crazy, and also there are still like other supports. Like the trend is very up on those supports, so it's like it doesn't seem right going against them at the moment. But yeah, we're currently pulling back. All right. I think the lurkers have been eliminated. All right, we hey 60 likes. Appreciate y'all, family. 55 on 60 likes. Okay. All right. Some type of connection there, I think. We're- Yeah, and the little sell off's not even like a it's not even like a rippy short. It's just uh Lucky J with the trophies. They don't got no reward for that. Trophies. Yes, sir. Y'all ever think about how weird it is that we like, or some of us, I don't know, put so much value in like something shiny that kind of just marks your achievement, and it's like, it just sits there. It doesn't do anything. Doesn't really serve much purpose beyond it, and it's just like, yo, it's there. And it's like, say you're somebody that's really like racking them up. It's like, oh yeah, like, yo, another one for the collection. And it's like the only real value it has is like, oh, maybe you see it, and then maybe if you invite some people over, it's like, oh yeah, this is my trophy room, or oh, this is my little shelf of trophies, and yep, I did this one time, I did this one time, yep, got this for doing this. It's like it's kind of wild to think about to me. It's like over time, like, have you really take a step back and think about it? Yo, all the things that we kind of accumulate and whatnot, it's like, yo, we don't even take it with us. And it's like, how much joy do we get out of things? Like, while we're just like talking about this on the well, hold up, we got Nvidia moving a little bit. Here, let me go to a 15 on Nvidia. I want to let y'all know I'm still at the charts. Thinking about a 0 DT call on the SPY. If it pulls back to a level for me, it's potentially. So I would potentially from this trend line, this other trend line, or if it wants to come back here to like 625, that might be something for me too. So yeah, wait, hold up, let's go back to the 5. Yeah, so maybe 626. Yeah, around this 626 area, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, Nvidia doing this thing. Let me pull AMD back up. AMD's been very flat today. Yeah, but as I was saying, like, yo, have y'all ever taken the time to like stop and think, like, yo, if your house was on fire, if you were caught in a fire, and you could only save like one or two things, and not talking about people and pets because they'll all get out, but if you had like just a couple things that you could grab on the way out, like what would you grab? It's like there was a time I kind of I think when I was in Colorado, I think there was a scare. There were like a bunch of fires like kind of coming my way, and I'm like, yo, I'm like, what do I take? And it's like I had like a quick hey, okay, I see y'all. Philip, you said my fridge. Oh, that's wild. That's wild. Okay, pictures in the Bible, my safe, my fridge, my important papers. I would throw that in the category with safe. And it's like but it's like for me it's like I was like, dang. It's like it really shows you like, okay, getting a pullback. This is good. This is good. This is opportunity. But it's like it really showed you like what you value if you really had to go through that. And it's like, yo, low key, the things I grabbed, it's like, yo, just because I'm like, I like really value this journey. And it's like, also, it's like, so I had in the bag, I had like my, it's like, grabbed my laptop, grabbed my camera, and I think there were like a couple pictures I grabbed. And then like, my wife has like this stuffed animal she's had since she was like a child. I was like, yeah, I know she would be like devastated if she didn't have that. So it's like I grabbed all that, and then it's like, oh, yeah, let's get out of here. Everything was okay, so we didn't like lose anything. But I was like, dang, okay. I was like, I really just grabbed this stuffed animal like this. I'm like, just for my wife. I'm like, hey. But I was like, for me, like I was like, yo, I read the Bible every day, but it's like I guess I haven't had like a specific Bible given to me that like I guess has the meaning to a point where it would matter about the specific like this or whatever. So it's like honestly I read it digitally every day. Pictures, um it's like I have pictures around, but I'm like most of them are digital for me, and it's like I can like reprint them and stuff. It'd be one thing if somebody like wrote some stuff on the back of them to me, but it's like beyond that, it's like, hey. And then my safe, it's like, yo, the safes I have, they're like waterproof, fireproof, and everything. So it's like, I'm like, yo, you're going to survive this fire, and I'm gonna come back and get you. But yeah, it's gonna get a little hot for you for a little bit. But it's like I'll come back for it. The other day you mentioned that Joby above 17, it can pull back. Was do you, where do you see to come down to support Joby? Let's see. When I was in high school, I had a coach named Joby. So next kind of area of support beyond where it's at, like kind of at the moment, the 17 is an area of support now, but I'll say like 1633. I'm not sure if this is liquidity. This 1594 might be an area of liquidity. Well, there is some liquidity there. And then ultimately, wherever this 13 EMA ends up landing on the 4 hour as well, those would be kind of the next levels I saw. All right, haha on the real food, phone, wallet, important papers. All right, the phone, yeah, that'll be with me. Wallet, I'm kind of like, I don't know. I got the important stuff that would just be like really, really hard to get. Uh, I don't want to say where I have it, but it's like I always have it with me. My mom died, so it is hers, so I can always buy another one. Okay, I feel that, Amanda. Do you understand what you read? I would say most days. Most days, yeah. It's like I think I've been through. I think this is like my third time going through the Bible. Like I read like a chapter a day. I think this is my third go around, and it's like every time there's more depth. There's definitely like sometimes I feel like I am just reading words, but I would say for the most time most part I do understand what I'm reading, and it's like I gain depth and understanding every day, or yeah, every time I kind of go over it again. It's kind of like watching certain stuff when you watch when you're a kid as an adult, and it's like, whoa, I didn't realize they were making jokes like that. It's the same thing with the Bible. Not necessarily like the Bible making jokes, but just like, oh, I did not catch that, or wow, did not realize that, or oh wow, the Bible is kind of a cheat code, and it's like all this kind of stuff. Mine too have a waterproof, fireproof safe. Hey, got to. I thought about safes, pros and cons. You've thought of? I don't know. Like, my parents had one growing up, or I guess they still have it. At first, just like the thought of it, I had like a little bag that's fireproof, waterproof, and cut proof. So it's kind of like a safe bag. Like you can take it on the go with you. It's almost like I don't know, it's small. It's like really small. It almost could be like a laptop case, but it's for documents. Lost my childhood Bible 5 years ago that my mom gave me. I honestly hated it. She wrote in it and highlighted it. I grew up in it in foster care, so it was really one thing I had. Lost it when I. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. The only thing that's the only thing I can say that's good that probably came from that though is that like you're still kicking today. You know, like hey, you're okay, and you still have the memory of it. Like it would be nice to still have, but it's like yo, it just kind of moves on. All right. Hey, just here. Let me get a quick bird's eye view on the spy real quick. See how we're looking. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the 15 on the spy and the Q's. Slow it down. Okay, Q's getting a little there closer. All right, coming back to it. Okay. Having a safe tells thieves that you have something valuable there versus hiding your silver and gold in a place that wouldn't. Oh no, it's on the cool in my safe. It's not even like my safe doesn't have anything that would be valuable to others. It's more like the stuff that would be a headache to get again. That's all that is. Like think like documents and stuff. But I don't know. Bible is like a puzzle. To get the understanding, you must be capable to assemble to get the whole picture. Nah, for real. It's a journey. It's like this journey of life. It's like a lot of times you visit something, you may see it one way, you visit it again, and it's like, oh, you're like, oh, I didn't notice this. You come back again, and it's like there's a little more there. It's kind of like learning anything. It's like I don't know, if you're learning a sport, you might just learn the rules at first, or learn a game, you might learn the rules. And then it's like, oh, okay, they kind of did that. Why they do that? Okay, there's some strategy. And then might come technique. It's like, yo, there are levels to everything. In the fire, I would grab my beef jerky. Would beef jerky survive if would it? I don't know. Grab my beef jerky, guns and ammo. Better to have it not. Okay, hey, that's one way to do it. One way to do it. You said facts on the beef jerky. Y'all are wildin'. All right, let's see. Oh, we got some lurkers again. I know there are at least 4 lurkers. Hey, be sure to smash the like button. Be sure to smash the like button. We gotta. Hey, we might be able to get out of El Salvador. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Buddha Dev. Hey, good afternoon. Hey. Okay, hey, lurker's gone. What's up, Buddha Dev? All right, so we got our little pullback. Okay, the IWM and the SPY are getting close to that 13 EMA on the 15. Let me check back with the 5 minute. See, okay, we're below the 13 EMA on the 5. Okay, got a nice little pullback. Nice little pullback. I feel like it's easier going up than down. It's good to see the RSI kind of being reset a little bit. All right, so the Qs, we got a little pullback. See how we're looking on the Qs is still holding the 13 EMA. And let's check in on 5 for IWM. That AMD call was great yesterday. Oh yeah, it did its thing. And then like I think AMD got pretty close to. Why is it different on every time frame? Hold up. On the 5 minute it's showing we're over. But on the 4 hour, that's like I see this up here. This trend line. That would be some solid. It'd be like that's some resistance there. I would like to see AMD kind of, I don't know, maybe touch that and then have like a solid little sell off, maybe come fill in this gap or something. That would be nice. Okay, okay, so this is good. Okay, now we got a little downtrend on the SPY. And it's like once we kind of break the downtrend, that's when we can go for our like if you're somebody getting a 0 DTE, that's when we can go for our calls. This is good. So nice. Okay. So yeah, it's been doing its thing. Roblox back. What's up, fam? Young Molly Whopper. And might have to add Roblox to the list again. Okay. Yeah, let's add it to the list. Roblox. There we go. That way it's getting monitored. Please analyze. How is TGT doing right now? Let's see. Okay, it's up at 103. Okay. This is one, like, I feel like long term, this is a really good buy right now. Like, I feel like Target's a good buy. Right now. Yeah, I feel like this is a good, like, long term buy. Right now with Target, I would just say it's a good level to have it. Bro, honestly, I don't know if I don't think that's enough to impact it. I think I think it's a good time to buy. That's all I'm gonna say. Coming down to a 4 hour. Oh, that's a 1 hour. I was like, oh, it's in an uptrend on the 4 hour, but I think if you have time, like have a good amount of time, this is it looks good, but like I would say analyzing it, besides seeing like, oh, there's probably like a rough kind of trend here. It's like a rough uptrend. I don't have much to say beyond that. You said they have earnings in October. I see that they have earnings August 13th. What's the theta exactly? Looking at a swing with the 1.58. So what that is telling you, wait, hold on. Okay, that's not important. It's a scam. But what that is telling you is that from the value of time alone, that from today to tomorrow, the contract, if it stays the exact same price, is going to lose $1.58 per share, which for the value of that contract, assuming the contract, the price of the stock does not move, it's going to lose at least $150 or $158 from today to tomorrow, assuming that the stock doesn't go up or down. So I would say, depending on like how much the contract costs, that is a high theta. But depending on like what kind of money you're working with. But I would say in most cases that theta seems pretty high, regardless. You said my bad, it's in August 13th. Yeah, that's what I just saw. All right, SPY testing the trend line. Oh, I would still like to see it pull back here, but I do feel a little more comfortable now that this trend has been sort of identified. Like, say we come back here, it's like I would think we could maybe target this high. What kind of move is that? So if it breaks right here from the low, that's like a 95-cent move. It's nothing crazy. So I kind of hope it still continues selling off. Very, very welcome, Todrick. Very, very welcome. Yo, I'm about to have to let me do some recovery while I'm here on stream, because IWM trying to find a little life. But yeah, let me pull some recovery, because I'm just sitting here. May as well recover while I'm at it. All right. Oh, okay. It's like it's trying to. I'm gonna wait for confirmation, but this might be an entry. Let's see. Let's watch it. I don't know. Oh, it's still stringing like black candles. So we'll kind of wait and watch. Let me string these on real quick. Let me also take a look at something. We got the VIX kind of low. PCE is not too incredibly high either. Honestly, I would like to see them bring it down some more. Think there's definitely room for it. In your opinion, do you think Lucid is a lifetime stock to hold or a long time? So like I said, like in this portfolio, my wife's portfolio right here, we got like 100 shares that we've been holding for some time. Let's see, where are we at? Where is it at? Bro, where is it? Oh, over here. Got like 100 shares. I would say it's a long-term hold, because Just at the price it's at, they can do a lot from here. It's like they're still in their very early stages. It's like Tesla took like a solid 15 years before it really started doing anything. So I think it's a long term hold. But it's like the earlier you get in, uh, usually, or like the lower you get in, usually the better returns and the lower the risk. But yeah, from here, I would think the return could kind of be crazy. Have to go. Hey, have a blessed day, Mahishu. Thank you very much. Appreciate you stopping by. I noticed you trade with your Roth IRA. Is there any? So this, I let one thing be known. I don't do any trading with this. We just this is just on the computer. This is just the account so y'all can see. I only like watch listings. I let my wife buy whatever she wants and whatnot, but I do not I don't trade with that. So I would say most of my like trades are going to be outside of my Roth IRA, but I do make trades in it. Usually, like if I'm trading in my Roth IRA, though, I usually try to make it like leaps or like something I think that's gonna like run for a longer time. But yeah, there are tax advantages because the tax advantages are going to be like, first off, you don't pay taxes on the gains. Like, or actually, it depends on like when you take it out. So like, if I wanted to take it out today, I would be taxed on the gains. But it's like, if I take oh, if I wait till I'm like, I think once you're like 59 and a half, you can start removing money tax free. Or if I wanted to pull out money for a like down payment, I think like up to like $10,000, it's like that money is going to be tax free, and it's not going to be, I'm not going to have to pay taxes on it pretty much. Whereas in a regular account, I will. So it's like, yeah, there are tax advantages. It's just like, if it's money that you're going to need right away, you might want to not do that. I would really say it's better to have slower moves in your Roth IRA, but not a financial advisor, not financial advice. That's just kind of how I do things. Oh, you said I'm 63. I don't deal with any of that anymore. Okay, yeah. Well, in that case, that's like, it could be tax advantage to you. Like, it's like you don't have to worry about yeah, I guess you don't have to worry about being taxed on the gains in there. What is AMD support? Depends on how you're looking at it. Like on the day, I would say it's like about 159. Below that, it's going to be about 156 or so. Spy kind of looking. Yeah, yeah, I would still say it's trying to make an upside move. I'm not sure I'm gonna end up doing anything with it. It's like the spy's trying to take his time. Like like it might cross into a point where if I were trying to trade the spy, I'm not sure it would be a zero DTE, because I think like it might be they might not let you trade zero DTEs like after a certain time, and that might be in like, It might be like I want to say it might be like noon Central Time that they stop letting you purchase them. It's like you can sell out of them till like 2:30 Central Time, but I think they stopped letting you buy them, or at least on Robinhood at like noon. About to break even on SPY 76 or 7460. 7460. What are we talking about? What are you in on SPY? Yeah, it's like we need some volume. I feel like we're still kind of like pulling back on the SPY right now. It's like the volume just keeps dropping right now. IWM selling off. And the volume is pretty low on the Qs as well. $174.60. Where are you getting that value from? 174.60 on the SPY. Did you get like a SPY contract? All right. How feel about AMD today? Was debating looking for a call option. I wouldn't make any moves like that with AMD on such short notice personally. It's like AMD, like one thing to know about AMD is it's very overbought. I think there is going to be a pullback on it pretty soon, but I also could see it like going up to about like 164 before that. So personally, I don't necessarily feel the best about a call. I see 164 as like probably a heavier level of resistance. I don't know. All right, still pulling back on the SPY, pulling back on IWM. All right, this good. Here, maybe I need to adjust this trend line a little bit. Let's see. See if we can take that there. See if we can. Oh, moved it a little bit, but yeah, we're still down here. Got you. Yeah, been back and forth on it. I would say back and forth with good reason. All right, let's take a look. Yeah, we're just pulling on back right now. $2:30 our time. Where are we in the same time zone? I kind of forgot. That's usually when we I would imagine the same time zone. That's usually when they like sell us out of the contracts. I don't know. It's been a minute since I've tried to buy at the end, but I feel like it used to be around like noon or something. Like I feel like there would still be like a solid half of the day left to trading. I was like, maybe I'll try. Like, I'll make an attempt in like 4 minutes just to see if it'll let me. Or maybe I can probably look it up. All right, so I don't think looking it up really helps. Don't see any solid, like, I see kind of generic stuff. It says they'll let you trade till 3:30, but that's when they expire. So I feel we may have a sell off. Hey, we might. It's possible. All right, so SPY might be showing a break and retest. Volume's still kind of low on this move though. Yeah, we might not really have anything. Good luck at break even. Oh, I see Derive just put in a put on UNH. UNH is sitting at like 288 right now. How long did it take you to become profitable? I would say probably about like 4 or 5 years. I would say I started off profitable, but it was like I wasn't even thinking about being profitable. I was just thinking about like I don't know. Options printing in the beginning seemed like a money printer. And it's like I would just buy an option contract with about a month of time. Sometimes it would take a couple days, but yo, it's like I got the money. I would just take the money out whenever I needed. I didn't say, oh yeah, let me see how far I can ride it. It was just like, yo, let me do it. But it's like I would say like maybe 2.5 years in, I started learning technical analysis and whatnot, because in the beginning I was of the belief that it didn't like have any value, that it was all just kind of like mumbo jumbo. But no, there's like validity to it, and that's like as I gained understanding, and like it was more once I found like the institutional style of trading that it started making sense. So when I say institutional, I mean like a sweep of liquidity and supply and demand. But also, like after the fact, like after learning those things, I guess like with the knowledge of those, trend lines are also like really good too, because it's like now I think I could like almost just use trend lines on their own, and I could make a bag with like just trading trend lines, but I don't think I could do that without the base of prior knowledge I had, or at least I wouldn't know, like I wouldn't understand like where the things kind of lined up. Oh, break even on Nvidia. Oh, because you had in that other message you said you were about to break even on the SPY, so I was confused. Um, yes, I'm in Kentucky. I was in Texas up to 3 years ago. But yeah, okay, cool, cool. All right, so hey, good afternoon to all my Central Time people, and also all my East Coast people. Good afternoon once again. Yes, sir, MSATs, yeah. All right, so we're kind of consolidating. This might be a power hour day. I don't know. Like if this continues, I am not trading today. I would like some sort of acceleration to the downside to play to the upside. Or I would like it to go to the top and make a new high or something to watch for a pullback. But like what it's doing right now, it's like it's just gonna the theta is just gonna do its thing. Don't mind me. I'm gonna turn this around. Let's see. I'm trying to put my feet up. Ooh. Okay, it's trying to move up. Volume's still pretty low. I'm not sure I trust it. Let me take a look on the 15. Yeah, let's see. Like one thing it could still do, it could make like a double top as well. I don't know how I feel about it. D Scurv in Houston, bro. That's wild. We're like four or 5 hours away, depending on what part of Houston you're in. That's wild. That's wild. Okay. I was over here wondering. I was like, I forgot you were flying here today. I was like, oh wait, where's D Scurv? But hey, appreciate you. That's crazy. Hey, D Scurv. Looks like we popped off this morning, but nothing crazy really happened on stream. But yeah, really glad you made it. Um, it's especially like this year. It's a big ups to the pilot because this year we have not had the best streak with all these flights. It's like they've been shooting them out the sky. Let me move that back a little bit. Okay, IWM pulling back a little bit more. What are your thoughts? AMC, pure trash. Pure trash, pure garbage. I don't say that about, I don't think I say that about anything else, but AMD, or AMC, pure trash. It's like, the way that the the way that it works. I've been to that airport a few times, but yeah, the way that it works is just like anytime there is any chance of AMC having any kind of value, the CEO just he issues more shares, and so it's like I don't know. It's like we can pull up the chart. It could be up on the day, but if it holds anything, AMC is like a quick trade in my opinion because they just continue to issue more shares. Like if we go back and we check history on AMC, you can see what I'm talking about. Like there was a point, retail tried to save them. It was trading at like 353. Bro, it gets up to like $400. Let's issue more shares. All right, try to recover. Let's issue more shares. 278. Sell down to 77. Let's issue more shares. Comes down, goes up to like 128. Let's issue more shares. Once again, 80. Let's issue more shares. Yeah, it's like, yeah, don't mess with it. I don't know. Not a fan of AMC. I mean, the theaters themselves, it's like they're chill. But the stock, no sir. Well, yeah, I appreciate you like stopping by D-Scurv to like on such a busy travel day. We gotta get this man some kava. I might have to have some kava today. My wife said I'm on my own for lunch today, so we'll have to see. What am I gonna eat today? It might be kava. Definitely pretty hungry. I gotta get AMD off my screen. Or not AMD, AMC. No, I'm not. It's like I wasn't here to catch the move this morning. So now I'm waiting for a setup. It's looking like it's a good time to like if you're trying to trade to the downside, but the trend is up right now, so wish something would happen. I've got a few holding that are all choppy for the end of the week. Yeah, I know how you feel. They're doing that on purpose. It's like you get too much attention in one thing and they're like, "All right, we got to chill it out. We got to make them think nothing's going to happen." They're trying to like shake out the traders. Here, I'm going to start going through looking and see if I see anything that looks good on the 4-hour. Look at things a little bit more individualized. Kava sounds good. That it does. Oh, I see Derive actually has a swing put on Lucid. Interesting. Had kava last night for dinner. Okay. Yeah, I do that sometimes. Hey, once again, they got a kava being built like right by me. Hey, also, I used to have to drive like 15, 20. Well, I still have to drive like 15, 20 minutes depending on traffic. But yeah, I got an HEB coming in like right here too. I was like, let's go. There's supposed to be a tropical depression about to hit that area. Possibly. They literally never know from Beaumont. Tropical depression? Is it going to affect their mood? Had no internet on the plane. Thankful Rocket Lab. Hey, yeah, I bet a lot of your calls were up. What about IMAX? I mean, it sounds like it is. This isn't like this doesn't like trade like anything that I would really trade. The volume is like very low on this, so this is something that you would check the fundamentals on. Like it looks like it's kind of continued. It looks like it's in an uptrend. Like overall, on the 4 hour it might be down, but like just the overall trend. Like if you back out to the weekly, or I don't know actually. This IMAX is one I would just not mess with. It doesn't have enough eyeballs on it, and I like for stocks like these, unless you have some sort of special insider knowledge, that's like usually you want to stick, if you're trying to make money, you want to stick to the more popular names that more people are in. HEB is the best. I love the personal oven dinners. Makes me think of, that's wild, Chase. That's wild. My wife likes them too. But luckily she makes food too. He said, I think you really, Naomi, I think you might be a little bit behind. Just a little bit. But yeah, I don't, yeah, AMC, it's, it's mostly just the stock though. Just the stock. Nothing on the theaters themselves. The stock and the CEO. Cause homie's just like padding his pockets. Man, I got a nice full pullback on the 4 hour. Hold up. Let me check. Not quite yet. Y'all, LOL. Oh yeah, hey, everywhere I grew up, y'all has been a thing. Y'all is just the way we speak around these parts. Palantir. Very overbought. Palantir might be, yeah, once again, Palantir is approaching a decent short area. So still got that in mind. SoFi, yeah, SoFi's at 22. It's doing its thing. APLD, QBTS, Tesla, Boeing. Still pulling back on IWM. Uber selling off. Okay. Saw a little downtrend right there. Wait, hold up. What's this line I got? It's a 4 hour. What's the RSI at? Okay, Uber is oversold. What we got going on here? It's an area of support. Let's check the weekly. Let's check the daily. There is some liquidity here. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but yeah, because that's not like the first move. You said, yeah, depression is right before top. Oh, okay. All right. I feel like that's always going on down there in the Houston area. Let's say Uber is at an area of support where it could find some life, but I don't have enough confidence or history to just take a Uber trade. But Uber looks decent. Looks decent for like a swing for upside. But they did also cross to the downside recently, so I don't know. I still see like it's like if they pull it back to like this 84 area, that'd be a stronger buy, but thank you waiting on QQQ snoozing. Trump live. All right, I'll have to hey, glad you caught up, Naomi. All right, but all right, Trump's live, so I'll have to check some headlines. Check for headlines. If you see something or hear something, say something. Oh, Lucky J, you said old note. Okay. I was like a little behind. I was wondering why it's okay. Hey, well, glad you're caught back up. Well, I was about to do. Oh, I was checking the headlines. Let's say I check news. I was like, what am I doing on my phone? That's the problem with phones. OpenAI's deep research and operator products are merging into ChatGPT agent. Daily policymakers. All right, I see a lot on ChatGPT. Fed daily 2 rate cuts this year is a reasonable expectation. Yeah, I see a lot of headlines from the Fed speaking. No Trump yet. Spy breakout. So one thing that's not accompanying this move. So right now, I would call this consolidation. It's like we had this pullback, we have like this solid sideways movement, but if we look down here towards the bottom, these red bar or these bars down here, this is the volume. This is low. This is right now. It's really low volume. Like they keep getting like consistently lower. So the lower that is, the easier it is for them to either just jack the price up really fast or just drive the price down really fast as well. So it's like if you get caught in that, you can really lose money fast. So I'm personally not it's like you can make money with that, but yeah, any kind of move, it can completely wipe you out. So right now I'm erring on the side of caution. Dang, Rocket Lab, man. Insane. Facts. Any move can have you walking around like a headless horseman. Hey, for real. Yeah, and another thing, it's like yeah, I don't know. It's like the market goes up, it goes down, but it also trades sideways as well. And if you're doing anything with options, that sideways movement is the last thing you want to be caught in. Lucid taking a dip. Wonder if it's gonna fall through. Oh, it looks like Derive has a put in, but it says it's a day trade. I'm not really honestly where it's at. I wouldn't try to do anything to the downside on it because honestly the downside on Lucid is fairly limited. It was like the most if you grab a put, even if you grab something that's in the money, the most you can make on it is going to be what's it trading at? If it's trading at $3, the most you can make on it is like 300 or $3 per share. So it's like um the way Lucid moves, there I can't even necessarily tell. You just gotta kind of let it do its thing. Look at the previous support and hold up. Got some other stuff to roll through first. Riot, Clean Spark Coin. So if that's Lucid's first move, and assuming it doesn't make more, the fib is gonna be down from like 270 up to 292. So it's like I would, assuming that this doesn't just keep stringing candles like this, uh, yeah, it's gonna come back below 3. That Nike trade I had did me dirty. Yeah, I think Nike, it's at what, like 72 right now? Well, it's crazy that they like pop like that though. Money Matt was good, getting ready for that 9 to 5. Hey, you and me both. You and me both. That's like I didn't have a job, but I kind of have a job now. It's like at first I was like, yo, I don't have a job, but it's like I would say honestly with all the little product reviews and stuff I'm doing, like yo, it's a full time job. It's a cool job, but it's a full on job now. And it's like I gotta edit those too. So it's a little, it's work. It's work. But yo, get the money and remember why you do what you do. Let that motivate you. Oh, I gotta lift too. I mean, first thing I gotta do is eat, but I gotta lift. Elf, Shopify, up good. Unfortunately, I don't have a job currently. The company I was with had to shut down the electrical division. I'm sorry to hear that. I actually have a load of friends getting let go at the moment, and that's the way things are right now. A lot of a whole lot of like letting go and downsizing. Like we need these rate cuts because we need these rate cuts so companies can start spending more. They're really looking for their budget cuts, but unfortunately, like one thing I will say about these rate cuts is that when we get them, they will likely, I don't know, then I would imagine like all the positions or the majority of the positions that were there before, um, they have found are more efficient without. Oh, hold up! I didn't even realize the queues had just pulled back. Okay, the queues just like pulled back real quick like that. I didn't even see that. Oh, it's still okay. It's still going on. So you might get a little sell off action on the queues. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, that was a real quick little pull down. DoorDash is a side hustle of mine. Dash while learning on YouTube. So DoorDash, or I didn't do DoorDash. I did Uber Eats when I was in Colorado. Um, was it during COVID or was it just after? It might have been like on the tail end of COVID. I don't know. Um, like on the tail end of COVID or like during COVID, DoorDash and like delivery and stuff like that, bro, they were paying like that was an actual side hustle then, but it's like I think I tried to do it again like a year later or something. I'm like, yo, this money, like these tips and everything, like if you don't get tips, it's like nothing. And it's like I'm like, I'm like, nah. Cause it's like, yo, I was driving out the gas. But if you have a field efficient car and you're in an area where, they give you good tips, I guess, hey, it's solid. But it's like, I was just like wasting my time. But yeah, I used to be able to like just go out for an hour and like just hang around all the coffee places and I would make bank. I'm like, oh my goodness. And then if the weather was bad too, like if it was like raining hard or if it snowed or anything, bro, yeah, they used to the tips would roll in. I'm like, oh, it was like nice. But today is my birthday and I've been too busy getting calls and messages to ah, happy birthday, April. Oh yes, happy birthday. Do you have like a do you I know you're a realtor in the Dallas area. Are you one of those realtors that like show stuff on Instagram? I like to follow those pages. Just out of curiosity, like if you are, let me know. I might have to drop a follow. But yo, happy birthday. And it's okay. Hey, you'll get yours, April. You'll get yours. All right, that's why I always preach save, invest a portion of what you, hey, 100% since no matter how much you earn, save, invest, and before you create new bills. Yes, honestly, the ability to adapt and learn is so critical. Like, never stop learning, y'all, because it's like bro, things are always changing. Yes, April. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear April. Happy birthday to you. Turn up. Let's go. All right, let's see. I did Uber Eats, bro. I remember doing a delivery for 20. The order was at night, and it was from Houston to Ross. That was my last delivery. Oh, that's wild. Shameless plug, the new 100. That's his YouTube channel for the record, y'all. Dun, 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 dun. It's her birthday. Yeah. All right. So, hey, maybe a potential double top here. We'll see. So the Qs had like a real quick and run of liquidity and like just pull it back. Hold up, did the volume? We kind of got a little more volume coming in on SPY, a little bit. It's still coming down. It's still like lower, but those last two candles were a little higher. The volume on the wait, this is a 15-minute candle. Let's go back to the 5. Okay, so yeah, we did get a little bit more on that last one. XRP is not playing. Yeah, I saw it was at like 330. Where'd it go? Yeah, I was just like, dang, okay. Okay, XRP. I don't know where it went on my list, but yeah, it was not playing. It was just trying to take off. Oh, there it is. XR, there we go. There we go. You said they're coming back from lunch. Hey, I would like to have lunch. What is that noise? Did my wife turn the laundry on? I don't know. Yeah, they're trying to come back from lunch. I need to figure out what to eat for lunch. Y'all give me ideas. I'm on my own today. Oh wait, on the cool. I think I need to go somewhere. All right. I might need to make my own, actually like make my own lunch today. All right. Dang. Hey, y'all showed up today at the new time. Yo, it's like we might even be able to get out of El Salvador. Hey, let me say this now. Yo, if you're here and you have not smashed the like button, hey, please consider smashing the like button. Really helps to support the channel and helps to provide freedom. Oh shoot, okay, 90. Okay, I see y'all. See y'all. All right. I think tomorrow, like I'm not sure anything's gonna happen today. We got like 25 minutes left. It's like yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do anything today. It's like I'm not saying I'm not 100% saying that's not a 100%, but right now it's not looking like anything's gonna happen. Oh shoot, 93. That's wild. In the car now, like 90. Okay, okay. Appreciate you, M Sense. That's kind of crazy. You know, the new time hasn't been having the attendance, but we still got people rolling through. Haven't done anything for a while. I feel you. M Sense. It's or not M Sense. Big Red. Just like yeah, no action. Well, there is action. There is stuff going on, but I don't know. Let me come back to a 15 again. It's almost like we're still trying to make our way to this one. If we lose this trend line right here, do I have an alert on this line? That's a bigger, that's gonna be a bigger one. That's like if we lose this trend line, like if we fall here. Like we could probably fall to like this area of support over here. This 625.43, 625.50 or something like that. So yeah, that would be good. Like it looks like this goes out to what? So if it consolidates here, this would happen around 1:30 Central Time. So that would be about an hour from now. So you'd really have to come in. But that would be sniping. You'd really be sniping because there wouldn't be much time. So honestly, if you can grab 0 DTEs at that time, you might be able to like run a lick like real fast. Like that would be a gamble worth taking. Assuming you were going for like something that like assuming you were going for like is at 627, you went for a 626 contract and you pay like I don't know like under 10 cents. That might be something. You said that was crazy support on the QQQ. Yeah, yeah, you can see the support was over here. Yeah, almost. If we go to the 15, there's probably some. Yeah, there's some liquidity there actually. So we swept that liquidity. Next liquidity that's unswept is going to be at like 558.39. So my QQQ call early. All right, looking at the SPY. Here, what's it looking like on the 5? On the cool, this might be a decent short up here too. Like if it comes back up to like there might be a play to short from this 627 to either the trend line or here. I'm kind of curious what are that would probably have to be something quick though. Yeah, the 226s are currently. Oh, it looks like they do still let you buy 0 DTEs. Okay. D community, what's your diet, bro? I'm not completely vegan, but limiting my meat consumption benefits my energy. I'm thinner, but it feels good oddly. My diet, bro. I'm pretty much on a seafood diet. Um, I don't know. It's like I am mindful of my eating, so it's like I will pretty much eat whatever, but like if it's I don't know, if I don't feel good after eating it, I just won't eat it again or I'll try to avoid it. If it's like super greasy, I won't have a lot of it. Like so for instance, like I love burgers, but there are some greasy burgers where it's like, oh nah, can't have that. There are like cleaner burgers where it's like, yo, I can have those. Like yesterday for lunch, I was like, there's this place called Piata. I love Piata. And it's like, I don't know, but it's like, I gotta drive like 25 minutes to get it. It's like, we still don't have one close enough. So I'm like, yo, or like 22 or so. And it's like, with that, I'm like, yo, I want something good. I don't want Panera because I don't know why my Panera smells weird. Like I don't like the smell of my Panera. And like the other foods that I would consider good, they're not really that good. So there's like this place downtown, or like a local place, and I don't know. I had like a burger and fries, but they're like they taste like really clean, and I'm like, it's like if it's clean, if it's made clean with like good ingredients, it's like I don't know. So I think it's more about the quality of your food. Like what you eat matters, but uh, I would say like trying to get like whole, like good quality ingredients. But if I have to make food on my own, I'm usually like chicken and rice is a good go-to. Here, let's see. Okay. You said happy birthday, April and Matthew? Nah, my birthday's in like February, so just April. But hey, appreciate you, Jacqueline. LLC's food and hey, something like that. Something like that. I know my broker does the house tours and etc. For our brokers. I will share a page with you on more. Hey, yeah, I'm cool with that. Get lots of business and referrals from previous. Okay, I'm more so on with from my. Okay, cool. That's my diet. I see food and I eat it. Very welcome, April. Been over here trying to find something today. Hey, sometimes you gotta let it find you. I would say there's potential right here. I would want to see how it does, but this right here, let me change that. We might have a short coming up. Like if we come up and sweep this high, like this might be something. We might get a little pullback. I wouldn't expect it to just crater, but I might be willing to go small on that. Might be willing to go like maybe throw like 20, 40, something at it. I don't know. Not too big. Yeah, but say we sweep that high. Here, let me take a look at it. I have been rinse and repeat with SPY and TSLL for today. I'm up 128, but wanted to see if I could find anything. How we feeling about UNH? Um, so once again, like I said, UNH can pull back to like 250, and I would say that's an amazing buying level. I would say leaps here still good, but I do think the leaps will pull back still. But I feel like I like UNH at these levels. I would say like if you're averaging in, it's a good level. On Facebook, I meant to say. I mean, I have Facebook. Yeah, I'm on the Facebook. February is the best month. Hey, yeah, February is pretty cool. It's just so cool. They had to limit the number of days. I have Hashimoto's, so mine is gluten free and minimal dairy. Hey, dairy. That I feel like dairy will run a number on people anyway. It's like I like it. It's just it'd be trying to trying to come from me. How you doing today? I'm doing all right. How about you, bro? College investor. Oh yeah, I see a zero DTE. I'm looking at the 627s, but I'm watching for this. See if we get a sweep here. If not, I'll leave it alone. But I see I see a zero DTE It's going for about 40 right now. But I'm not getting in if we don't sweep that level. But at that level, I'd be willing to kind of do it. Can crypto pay out to Cash App? I think so. Cause yeah, there's a Cash App crypto wallet. Only thing I would say is be careful with Cash App. Like I legit like they email me. They're like, oh, download or I don't know. They're like deposit like any amount in crypto or buy any amount of crypto, and we'll give you like $10. So I bought $1 of crypto. They it took them a couple weeks, but they sent me like $10. I have $10 in Bitcoin, so or it's probably more than that now. But oh, only I would just say be careful because Bit or Cash App has been hacked. People's wallets have been like messed up, so just be careful with it. But it's should be. Yeah. I this derive still got the magic touch. Remember that Cisco call at the 68? What happened to it? Angelo, you say you hear me? I don't hear you, but I see your messages. Oh, it's your birthday too, bro? College investor. Hey, top of the morning or not top of the morning? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Good afternoon. Yo, hope you have a blessed day. New Canada tariffs announced on batteries. Oh no. Blue candles have me feeling comfortable. Hey, that's hey yeah, we're trying to eradicate the bad feelings and the stress. Thank you. Are you still having your birthday sale for membership? Jacqueline, what are we talking about? I think you might be mixing me up with somebody. Cause I'm gonna be real. Like my membership, it's not anything crazy. Like if you're able to come to the live streams, I would say this is where all the value is on the cool. I got $3 in Bitcoin for buying Starbucks years ago. Now it's returns, some returns. Yo, happy birthday, everyone, for real. I said, can crypto pay out to Angelo? I answered that question, but you actually asked if crypto can pay out to Cash App, and I said yes. But you said to any bank. I would imagine the bank needs to have the function of crypto. So any bank that has it, but not every bank has it. So it really just depends on where the bank is. Made a calm 120 today from the Circle call. Got out before the retest. Hey, glad to hear that, cause Circle they ripped my money from me. I mean, they gave me time to do it. I just didn't take it. You think puts would be the? I think in this market, it's a little ignorant to. I'm not trying to call you ignorant, but I'm saying like, here, let's say irresponsible to make an assumption like that. Cause on the cool, I've been thinking like, especially jumping out to next week. We got tomorrow. It's like if we sell off crazy enough tomorrow, then I'll be like, oh no, yeah, I'm grabbing calls now. But so it's like yo, one day at a time, and it's like even if you want to ask me about tomorrow, we got Netflix earnings after hours. So it's like oh maybe in a few hours it's like things go to poop. I don't know. So I don't like to look that far ahead when it comes to stocks unless we're on a higher time frame and just looking at the charts. But no, it's like whenever we're consistently making new highs, it's like you really don't know until you see where the range has kind of pushed. But Nvidia's pulling back. Like Nvidia is pulling back, but the SPY and the Qs haven't done anything yet. But I kind of like this a little bit because we we have yet to oh because we have yet to pull back. So if we go and we like sweep this level, I'm gonna buy a call if we or not. Is this a call? Oh yeah, I'm gonna buy a put if this happens. I'm watching and I'm gonna just kind of let it do its thing. Like if we come up here, I got my eye on a put. I'll let it happen. I like that I'm seeing Nvidia fall, but right now the Qs is still holding up because that means they're not like fully synced up yet. So oh, there's a what move are you expecting on the SPY in order? Yeah, it would be a put, and like right now it's not more than I'm looking at the 627. So it's like I'm not like looking at anything crazy price because it's like oh I might be looking to come to this area right here where this 626.68 is. So um, dang, caught by train. Guess I can chat. Happy birthday, 30% off my online clothing store in honor of you. Next two people gets 30% cash app after receipt of items. Did you post your store? Because if you post your store, it's not gonna. If you post the exact link, it's not gonna share in the chat. I don't think. So I think you have to like break it up. I think it might have to be two messages, but if you shared it, it's not. I don't see it. Just so you know. So you gotta like. I don't know if it's like freshbacon.com. You gotta do fresh bacon and then like put a space and then do .com. Happy birthday to all July folks. Yeah, happy birthday to all July folks. And my mom's birthday was like 7 days ago. I had a friend whose birthday was like last week and over the weekend. That's why I went bowling like twice last week. It's like I went once for my friend's birthday and then like legit the next day kind of had like a double date with one of my wife's friends. Pushing on up. Listening and learning. Hey, very welcome. Very welcome, George. All right, dang. Look at the oh yeah, the put is getting cheaper. It is getting cheaper. Question is, are we gonna get up there though? This is my kind of zero DTE though. Like it's better like waiting later in the day when it's like cheaper. That makes sense. It was very bullish. I was just thinking with all the crypto hype once it dies. I agree. I agree. Like I would say definitely due for a pullback, but it's like the market can be irrational a lot longer than one would expect. Do you have any bias at any point of the day? When you say, do you have any bias, will you, can you give a little more detail on what you mean by that? It's like I have my thoughts on what will happen, but it's like it kind of just depends on what time frame we're looking at. Because certain time frames, it's like I might think, oh, it's going this way. Other time frames, it's like, oh, it's going this way. So I have biases in many different directions. Danny, I like how chill this is. Hey, I like your appreciation of chill. Yeah, it's like the thought of trading being like hyper. Oh, okay, we're getting close to the level on the spy and the cues. I'm looking at the spy, but we're getting close to that level. We're also getting pretty close to that level on the likes too. Y'all doing y'all's thing. Okay, I see y'all with the likes. Yo, we're almost there. Y'all kind of wilding a little bit. Look at y'all go. Oh, you say yeah. That's what I meant. So did I answer your question? Don't know, bro. Let me know if you still need, like, still have the question, but are we gonna get this move? It's looking like the cues is, it's like there pretty much. Wait, what's the let's okay, I have a meeting to attend, so if you guys are gone before I'm back, hey, yeah, stay blessed. You too. You too, Big Reg. Lucky J, what's the word? Good to see you. Okay, the Q's is going for it right now. All right, so Q's is they're pushing that level. I would like to see if the spy can do it. Oh, the Q's is on a 15. Let me check. Let me check. Yeah, I would like to see the spy get there. Okay, spy trying to push there a little bit. Yeah, because I would like to come in and maybe try to do something like that or something like that. I don't know. Can we get there? Can we do it? Or is it just going to keep melting up? Imagine if SPY and QQQ broke resistance levels. Hey, they go crazy. They go crazy. Oh, they're getting cheaper. Okay. Oh, I gotta verify. Oh, I got two in there. I didn't mean to do that. All right, so I think I bought one. I bought for like 31 cents per share. I gotta share that with the family real quick. Let's see. Just grabbed a, what was it, 627 0 DTE on the SPY, paid 0.31 per share. What is it? Let's see. All right, so looks like we're selling off a little bit. Wish I could watch it on my computer. But yeah, we got the entry like right there. We'll see what happens here. I'll probably jump up to like the 15-minute. Okay, let's see. Let me check in on that. Oh, I guess I got it for 32 a share. I said 31, but all right, let's see. All right, missed some comments. Yes, all is well. Hey, glad to hear it. Netflix earnings will up. That it will. That it will. Mama, hold. I'm done for the day. How did that IWM put? If you're talking about the one from last week, or was it early this week? Did we grab that Friday? I think we may have grabbed it Friday. I think we took profit on it Tuesday. So not the level of profit I wanted from it, but I think took like $14 profit on it. If you're talking about the IWM put from that, I think was picked up on Friday. So here, I'm gonna set an alert at 6:27. Oh, what just happened? Set an alert on the spy at 6:27. But I'm gonna actually last week. Yeah. Took profit on it. So y'all, I'm going to wait, hold up. Are we gonna try to move right here? Like I'm gonna call it a day here. But I got an alert set at 6:27, so I'll like watch it closer if it happens. Honestly, below that, the brokerage is gonna sell it out for me. But as of right now, I was gonna say I was up like 7% on it, but it went away. I'm up like it's showing I'm up like 50 cents, which doesn't fully make sense. But yeah, it says I'm up like 50 cents on the option. It's pretty much that means it's the same price. Oh, now I'm down 50 cents. But yeah, I'm gonna just let it do its thing. If it like really moves a lot, I'll take profit early. But otherwise, I'm just gonna kind of let it do its thing. I'll like maybe reevaluate it at 6:27. But yeah, just snag some like quick profits or whatnot from that. Hopefully, it's like it's trying to move. Oh yeah, hold up. 3 more likes. Hold up. Let me. I gotta come through and like get the likes so we can get there real quick before the stream's over. Just that way I can say, yo, it can be done. All right, let's get the likes up. Let's see. Oh, okay, we did. I don't even have to do it. Appreciate y'all, family. Y'all were just there lurking a little bit. Okay, all right. Hey, I'm with it. But yeah, this is I feel like 100% comfortable with this trade because it's like so low risk, but high reward. Like this, it's like we're oversold on the most time frames. Like not the 1 minute, but actually the one and the two and everything. Looks good. We were oversold on the 5, close on the 10, oversold on the 15, oversold on the 30, pretty close on the 1 hour, not quite on the 4 hour. But if we look at the 4 hour and look at how we've been moving every day, we've kind of been like moving between this range. Maybe Netflix can get us out today, but hoping we can like, I don't know, test the lower end of it beforehand. But yeah, with that being said, hey, what's up, Trent? With that being said, yo, everyone, appreciate y'all stopping by. Hope each and every one of y'all has a great day. And you said, what is your sell price for the SPY I bought? So I bought it at 32 a share too. So I don't have a sell price on the SPY. I'm like cool with letting it do what it does today. Because if it runs up, the value's going to be like too low for me to really sell out of it. If it kind of stays in this range, my portfolio will likely sell me out on its own. And then if it does make a move, my brokerage will likely sell me out too. So I might kind of see what happens. We'll see. But I do have an alert at 627 and an alert on this trend line just to kind of see. But yeah, hey, y'all stay blessed. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Brad Guy. Peace out, D Community. Peace out, Eddie Hall. Peace out, Kevin. Peace out, Maurice. Peace out, Bro College Investor. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Trent. Peace out. He said it might be some selling pressure ahead. That's what I would love. What is going to say? Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Jamie. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, Natasha. Peace out, Naomi. Yeah. Y'all stay blessed. Love y'all. Hopefully see y'all tomorrow. If not, y'all have a blessed weekend. Matthew Mayo signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family.